If you've been trying to add a clickable link inside CapCut, here's the honest workaround you need to know. CapCut does not let you make a true clickable hyperlink directly inside the video itself, but there is a simple method that still helps you display your website or landing page clearly on screen and then share the actual clickable link where people can tap it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step in CapCut Desktop and how to finish the process properly when you upload your video to YouTube or TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more easy software guides, and let's jump in. First, open your project in the CapCut Desktop editor. Make sure you're inside the edit you want to work on, because this workaround is all about adding your web address as text directly into the video. Once your project is open, look for the Text tab on the left-hand side. This is where CapCut lets you add on-screen text elements to your video. Now click on Default Text. This creates a basic text layer that you can customize however you want. In the text box, type out your web address, such as mywebsite.com. You can also type a shorter version of your link if that looks cleaner on screen. The goal here is to make sure viewers can clearly see where they need to go, even though the text itself will not be clickable inside the video. After typing the link, place the text on the timeline where you want it to appear. You can drag it to the beginning of the video if you want it visible right away, or place it later in the video if you want to mention it during your voiceover or call to action. You can also stretch or shorten the text clip so it stays on screen long enough for viewers to read it properly. If needed, adjust the font size, position, color, and background so the link is easy to notice. This part is important because CapCut cannot create a true embedded clickable link in the video file. Your on-screen text is mainly for visibility and branding. It works best when you say the link out loud, point to it on screen, and repeat it in the upload details later. That way, your audience knows exactly where to find it. Once the text is in place and everything looks good, export your video as an MP4. This is the standard format for uploading to most platforms, and it keeps your video easy to share. Double check the export settings if you want the best quality, then save the finished video to your device. Now comes the part that actually gives you the clickable link. When uploading your video to platforms like YouTube as a short or regular video, or to TikTok, paste the actual link into the description box or comments section. This is the real clickable version that viewers can tap. So while the link on the video itself is just text, the description or pinned comment is where the interactive link goes. A good tip is to keep the on-screen text and the description link matching exactly. If your video says mywebsite.com on screen, then make sure the same link is placed in the description or pinned comment. That reduces confusion and makes it easier for people to follow through. If you want better results, you can also combine this with a short call to action in the video, like visit the link in the description, check the pinned comment, or head to the website shown on screen. That makes the workaround feel much more natural and helps drive clicks. So to recap, the process is simple. Open your project in CapCut Desktop, add default text, type your web address, place it on the timeline, export the video as MP4, and then add the real clickable link in the description or comments when you upload. That is the easiest and safest workaround for adding a link in CapCut. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut and video editing tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more quick fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.